Namaskaram, Hare Krishna, I am Rakesh Raut. Today we are blessed to have the students of Bachpan Abits schools at our ISKCON Abits, Shri Shri Radha Madan Mohan temple. Their enthusiasm and the curiosity filled the temple with joy. It was really inspiring. So visit like this helps our next generation to connect with their rich culture, understand the spiritual values and develop a deeper appreciation for our tradition. A heartfelt thanks to the teachers who guided the students and encouraged them to explore and learn. So may Shri Shri Radha Madan Mohan bless them all with the devotion, wisdom and the happiness. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Thank you. And now we are going to recite one mantra. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.